The Nationals is the last competition of the season. They wait until Thursday to confirm the weekend has contestable waves. That is all they can promise.
So we're going to crown our national titles. So by tomorrow afternoon, later on tomorrow, we're going to have a clear idea who are the national winners. At the minute, it's still anybody's to play for.
The ocean owes you nothing. So on competition day, you take what comes your way.
Just did my first heat. It was the way, the conditions were super challenging. I couldn't get like a proper steep wave, so it was like, I think it's probably the worst conditions I've surfed in, like in a comp.
Going from warm water in Portugal in thin wetsuits and then coming back and it's absolutely lashing rain, cold water, and everyone's just miserable.
The conditions were so terrible. It was like onshore and messy, and it was so difficult to work out.
Me and Maria both had 2 firsts, so it was literally just whoever surfed the best in that heat was going to get the title.
I just played it ridiculously safe. Like I just did the same like tiniest turn like again and again and again, because I was like, this is like, there's not waves like this today. Like I just need to like stay on this, like ride it out properly.
It's pretty rough and hard. I'm under 14 Irish national champion.
So that means in first place, it's Evelyn Moore. And in first place, Sky Satellites. And this year's national champion, Isabella O'Reilly. And in first place, Dara Tivnan.
All of us started the season not knowing where we'd end up.
Maria Butler.
We know now.
And coming in first place, Joshua Carbis.
And many of the under-18s like Sky, Tom, Akaya and Evelyn won't be here next year. They now join the senior tour and will compete as adults.
Thanks to Gavin and everyone for organising the event. It was good fun. And yeah.